Hello everyone, this is Karan and you're watching Java by Karan. In this video, you will learn more about scopes in Java. Alright, so let us open our notes. We start with the class level scope. We have three scopes. We have three scopes to study as of now. That is class level scope, method level scope, and block scope. So let us start with class level scope. These variables must be declared inside class but outside any function. They can be directly accessed anywhere in the class. Now, we can declare class variables anywhere in class but outside variables, same as above statement. Access specified of member variables doesn't affect scope of them within a class. Now, member variables can be accessed outside a class with the following rules. The rules we have seen in the previous videos, that is private, default, protected and public. So member variables can be accessed outside a class with the following rules. Alright, so let us start with the STS tool and let us see some code part. What is class level scope actually, how does it look like actually in the program? Here is our STS open. Let us create a new project. I will name it as scopes. Next, finish. Under src I will create a new class. I will give package name as abc. Package name I will give abc. Class name I'll give a. I'll as of now we will not take main method. I will click on finish and here is our class. Alright, so let us see first a simple variable. Int a is a variable. Private string b is another variable. Now let us see some methods. Void method is another method. We write example, another example for method. I would name it as method 2. Same name for the methods where is not allowed. Int method. So as you give your return type as int, you need to return something. Return x. Now it will give again error because x was not an integer value. So you can see here these are in class level scope. You can see variables and methods. So in short, the variables must be declared inside the class. Variables must be declared inside the class but outside any function. These are the variables declared inside the class and outside the function. So this is the class level scope. You can see within these two curly braces, whatever you declare is in class level scope. Alright guys, now let us see method level scope. Now these variables must be declared inside my back. Variables declared inside a method have method level scope and can't be accessed outside the method. Now let us see here an example of method level scope in STS. We have a method named method. Let's change its method. I will use your display as a method name. I will declare an integer x. You can see this is local variable, hence it defines method level scope. it defines class level scope. Alright, if you try to access this integer x outside the method, you will get an error. You want to try it? Now let us try by accessing integer x outside the class. Let us initialize integer x by 10 by giving value as 10 and use system.out.println method, and I'll pass x as a parameter. Let us run this program by using shortcut key as Ctrl plus F11. Oops, you need a main method. I'm really sorry. I will take this all stuff in main method. Now let us run this program. Output is 10. Now try to access it, this x value, outside the method scope. No, not available. You cannot access it. So let us comment this. It gives an error. Now how question comes, how to access it? I mean, how to access it outside the class. Now let us take another example, another class. Let us create a class B under package ABC with a main method. We will declare integer x and we will have a for loop. Now for loop, and inside for loop we will initialize x equal to 0, x is less than 4, and we will increment the x value by x plus plus. Simply print the value by system.out.println. Let us see if what output comes. You can see all the values 0, 1, 2, 3 on the console. Now let us try to access it outside the block scope. Block scope for loop has two curly braces, that is its body, and it is called as block scope. Let's see if we can access it. Did you see it, guys? If I comment it, answer is 0, 1, 2, 3. On for loop prints only less than 4, but as the control comes out, value becomes 4 by incrementing x plus plus, and x gets printed on the console. If you run this program, you will get here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, guys, so this is block level scope. Again, I will write it as method level scope, and above I will write as class level scope. So this is all, guys. Thank you very much. Signing off for the day.